Hi there, it's Vince Mohr, your mortgage professional on the Central Coast, Central Valley, and beyond. And I'm actually licensed to originate loans, and I do originate loans all over the state. So if I could assist you, please let me know. And then my company's actually, we're one of the largest lenders in the country and can write loans anywhere in the country, all 50 states. So if we can assist you, like I say, just please let me know. And today in this video, I just want to talk about the national forbearance program or policy that's recently come into play. To make my loan or to not make my loan. With this forbearance policy, basically anybody with a home loan has the right to request a forbearance, and their payments, they won't have to make a payment for 6 months. And actually they're looking to push that out possibly for a year, not having to make payments for a year. So, but if you're not under a financial hardship of any kind, please don't exercise this option, because if you do that, if everyone were to do that, then it's going to just crunch the mortgage industry even more so and more badly than back in 2008. Because what happens, even though you may not be making your payment to the person that services, or the company that services your loan, they still have to make your payments on your behalf, principal and interest, and then of course if you have impounds, taxes and insurance. So and with most forbearance programs, after the forbearance period is up, in this case right now it's 6 months, you're going to owe 6 months worth of house payments, and again principal, interest, and if you have impounds for property taxes, insurance, you'll owe those as well. So it's maybe not the best option, especially if you don't need it. So now with government loans with HUD, FHA, VA, USDA, they've actually are going to make the forbearance a deferment. So you won't owe that money at the end of the 6 months. They're actually going to tack it on to the end of your loan, and then that's going to create a kind of a junior lien, or a secretary lien as it's called. So you'll just owe the money at the end of your loan, and if you don't go to full term, if you were to refinance or sell, then it would be due and payable, of course, at that point. So, but with Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, who service, who buy over 40% of the loans out there, again, they're your servicers that you make your payment to are going to have to still continue to pay them, and they're not, so far they haven't got on board with it being a deferment. So you would where they're going to tack on any monies, any payments not made, they're going to tack that on. They're not going to tack that on, at least now, to the end of the loan. You're going to have to come up with that money. So if you weren't in a financial hardship right now, and really didn't need the forbearance, you may be 6 months from now, or a year, just again depending. So anyways, just be responsible and know that our economy before all this happened was kind of humming along pretty good. So we want to get back to that just as soon as we can. Another thing that you may want to consider, as rates now are starting to settle back down, maybe refinance. The nation as a whole, homeowners as a whole that have loans against their properties have tons and tons of equity. So maybe you refinance to pay off any consumer debt, and then possibly put money aside for however long this is going to last. I mean, if nothing else, you won't have a payment for at least 30 days. So hope that you've enjoyed this video, and please let me know if I can assist you with or anyone with any home loan needs. And also please like, subscribe, share this video, as I provide lots of good information in my videos on real estate, home loans, and the market in general. So be safe and sound. God bless you and your families, and we'll be in touch. Thank you.